In this video, I will show you how you can create directories. So to create directories, you have to click here. In here, you can see we have two tabs, client directory and vendor directory. To create client directory, you have to click on this button, create client. You have to fill these details. I will enter phone number here. If you want to add any website, then you can add it here, or you can just leave it empty because this is not the requirement. I have entered postal code and I have selected province. If you want to upload photo for the client, then you can click here. And as you can see, we have photo. If you want to remove it, you can click on this remove button. I will just click on save button. As you can see, we have client here. I will go to this uh, client view. To go to the client view, you have to click on this arrow button. As you can see, we have client details here. If you want to hide these client details, you just click on this arrow. It will hide client details. Again, if you want to see the client details, then you have to click on this again. If you want to edit client details, then you have to click on these three dots, then click on edit client. Here I will change my name here. I mean client name here. I have just changed it to client 1 to client 2, and I will click on save button. As you can see, our name is updated. So to create client contacts, you have to click on this create contact button. You can enter contact details. I will enter email ID here. Then I will enter phone number. If you want to upload photo, then you can upload it here. I'm going to click on this save button. As you can see, we have contact here. You can perform sorting operations like this by clicking on this column name. If you want to edit contact details, then you have to click on this arrow button. Again, this drawer will show. You can see the details of your contact, but if you want to edit, then you have to click on this edit button. You just change the details you want to, click on the save button. As you can see, our contact name is updated. If you want to delete this contact, then you have to click on this delete button. This confirmation pop-up will show, and if you want to delete, then you have to click on this yes button. Otherwise, you can click on the no button. This pop-up will close. I will click on the yes button. As you can see, our contact is gone. And if I want to delete client, then I will click on these three dots, this delete client. Here you can see this pop-up. You have to enter email you have logged in with. If you don't enter email here and try to delete, this error will show. So you have to enter email ID you have logged in with. It will show it by default, but if you cannot see, then you have to enter it manually. You have to click on confirm and delete button. As you can see, our client is gone. If you want to search any client, you just have to type here. I will clear this search. You want to download this client data, you have to click on the export CSV button. If you want to download selected data, then you have to choose the client like this. One by one, I will choose, and then I will click on the export CSV button. Then only this four data will be downloaded. So I'm gonna clear this. You can sort these columns. I mean, you can sort this data by these column names for the client name and contact. Now I will go to the vendor direct. So this is the similar as previous one. I will show you. So name, email and phone number. These fields are same as the client. You just have one more field here, text code. You have to select. You can choose your text code, whatever you want, GST or GST and PHT. I will create vendor here. I will enter address, select province. I will enter postal code and click save button. As you can see, we have vendor here. I will go to this vendor. You can see vendor details here. If you want to create the contact for the vendor, then same as the client, you have to click on create contact button, enter details. I will click on the save button. You can see we have contact here. Let me just rename this vendor contact. So as you can see, our contact name is updated. You can edit or delete this vendor if you want. If you want to edit, I will change its name to vendor 2. Click on save. As you can see, our vendor is updated. So the rest things we have done in client, like this column sorting, are same. I guess I don't need to show you this. You can do searching here, and you can also download the CSV data. Okay, that's it